Hello and welcome to my channel. The latest Aqara Opple switches are great, with choice of 2, 4 or 6 buttons, each with 3 combinations for many actions to be assigned. It can be used as standard wall switch, but you can also take it away and use it as a remote. Really well built and nice. Is there a catch? Well, probably just one that not too many people seem to have noticed. How do you change the battery? The battery life is said to be about 2 years, depending on your usage habits. But still, if you use it a lot or have it in location with weak Zigbee signal, the battery could wear out faster, and it would be a pity to throw it away just because the designers didn't think that a user has to change the battery. But yes, the good news is that it's possible to change it, and I'll show you how. You would need a couple of things though. First thing is a plastic spudger. A really thin knife would do. The second thing is a small Phillips screwdriver. So let's get to it. First, take the controller from its base. If you try to open it, you'll see it's very hard to put the spudger between the buttons and the base. That's why we use a small trick. Press the middle button so one side raises a bit. This will make some room to insert the spudger in a hole. Just push forward and the button will release. Now that you see inside, you will notice a small Phillips screw in the center. Unscrew it. You can now continue with the spudger. The goal is to raise the whole switch from its bottom case, so insert the spudger a bit more so when you push at the bottom of a case, not at a button. Or just remove the top button as well, since then you'll be able to see where you're pressing. The button board is held at the top and the bottom, and it is enough to open just one side. Once you take the button board out, you will see the PCB and the battery is on the other side. Now it shouldn't be a problem to replace it. This is a standard CR2032 battery used in most of the Zigbee switches and devices. So let's just put it back together. I hope that this video helps you, and just remember not to press too hard in order not to break the plastic casing. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, please subscribe.